What's up, guys? So down here at the creek today. We're going to be trout fish today. Been a hot minute since we been here. Came here. Last time I came here was the day I forgot my GoPro, which has been a little over a week ago. So we got some NRV baits, spinners, all kinds of stuff to throw around. So let's waste some time getting the creek here so we catch a few fish, guys. All right, guys, we got an active one here, so we can't get him on this little pink minnow thing here. Oh, turn toward it. So you jig it right in front of him. Ooh, he's getting pissed at it. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. He's charged it, but once he gets to it, he has second thoughts. Ooh, he had it in his mouth. So he does that again. Let's see. Eat it, eat it. So I get it nice and close to him without spooking him. Eat it. Come on, don't be a baby about it, fish. Old JJ up there got himself one. So I can't get him to do it this time. Dang it. Hung up. I won't spook this fish probably. There we go. So they can't get him from right here. Sitting right here in front of me. It's a nice trout. Alright, he's spooky. First blood of the day. Pink creek bug. Get our stringer on out of there. We're gonna release this fish back happy and healthy. Because why not? Let's just get a little picture here real quick. You absolutely had to have that pink creek bug. Chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out.
Cooper, did somebody give you that fish?
Nah.
Oh, okay. I just wondered.
Alright, let's get you unhooked. Chill your little pecker head out. There we go. Take off. Nope. Go back. Happy and healthy. There you go. Bye-bye. Enjoy your life. Other one. Other rainbow. Now we're catching them, boys. Now we're catching them. Old JJ up here's making fun of me, thinking he's big and bad, trying to catch all my fish. But now we're gonna show him what's up. Grab me a little picture of him, get that. Ooh, something's got a hold of him, looks like. All right. Rotate that pink creek bug out of him and we'll send him back. Would you chill out, fish? Would you just chill out? All right. Take off, you little lucky bastard. Enjoy your life. All right, guys, just caught those two real quickly. So let's pitch this little pink creek bug back in here so they can't jig it real quick so they can't grab another one. Get her get down to the bottom where the fish are. And I feel like one's gonna smack it. Not that try. Definitely not that try. Maybe this try. I think them flies are driving me crazy this morning. See if we can't fool any guys. Number 3, yellow creek bug. No brook or brown quite yet, but I imagine they're going to be coming. All right, let's get a little picture here real quick. Dig my phone out. But I seen what looked to be a big brook in here earlier. Come and charge my bug, my creek bug, to say the least. Chill out. All right. Got our picture in. All right, let's see if we can get him to cooperate here. Let's see here. Come on, if you cooperate, I get you. There you go. Darn it. Happy and healthy. Happy and healthy. There you come on, let's go. There he goes. Happy and healthy. Well, got our brookie in. Not a bad little brookie on the chartreuse mini minnow. Take a little picture of him. Pretty little guy. Now if we can get a brown, we'll have our little trout slam. Pretty little guy. Chill out, chill out. I'm gonna put you back, I'm gonna put you back. Heck yeah, guys, not a bad little brookie. Number 4 for the day. Heck yeah. Number 5, another little rainbow. This guy's got pretty little par marks on him. Another one fell victim to that chartreuse mini minnow. All right, got the hook out. Let's just grab a little quick picture of him, and we'll send her back on the way. Heck yeah, guys. Turn around. There you go. Heck yeah. Enjoy your life. All right, guys, got a few active trout in here. There's a snake right there in front of me. See him right there? Scared a little. Kind of got me a little bit, but there's a few trout right here. We got a little black creek bug on here. I'm just gonna drop her in here because we've seen a few active trout in here. Got a little rainbow and a couple brooks here in front of me. Trying to see if I get one of them. Ooh, he wanted it so bad. He wanted that black creek bug like nothing else. Strip her back in there and give her another opportunity. Because why not? Kind of drifted away from him a little too soon. Let's see, let's try this again. 3rd time's a charm, isn't it? He's thinking about it awful hard. Let's might be able to fool one of these brookies down here. That rainbow's thinking about it a little too hard. He is thinking about it. Probably said that a bazillion times already. Let's get down here. See if we can fool one of these brook trout. He kind of darted toward it. Show a little bit of interest. It's hard to see when you can't see these creek bugs, especially the black ones. That rainbow kind of wants it again, I feel like. He's thinking, like I said, he's thinking about too much. Let's try Let's try twitching it in front of his face a little bit. Let's get down here a little bit lower to where his level is. All right. Did you come on and eat the dang thing already? Let's throw more in here that want to bite. Let's keep fishing so we can get them. Number 6, black creek bug, little brook trout. This is my 6th one. You keeping today?
Yeah.
You want him? You want him? All right. I don't blame you. Might as well enjoy them while they last. Whoop, there he goes. Bye-bye, fish. Heck yeah, guys. Little rainbow. Yeah. You want this one here?
No, I'm good.
All right, I'll put mine back today anyway. Number 7 for the day, guys.
I'm gonna swim over there. I want to see your fish.
Be quick, cause just go around this way, cause be quick. I'm gonna put them back. Be quick about it. Heck yeah, guys, not a bad little rainbow. I don't touch them, it's gonna hurt the fish. Heck yeah, guys, not a bad little rainbow. You gonna see him?
Oh, I've seen a rainbow. I've caught one.
Let's put him back. Let's let him go. Maybe one of y'all come back here later and catch him.
Is he dead?
Nah.
Oh, he's just faking it? Here's doesn't want to swim.
Nah, they're just stressed right now in this heat. So I can get them take off.
Should I jump?
No, don't jump.
Why?
See? He took off just fine.
Bye-bye.
Well, guys, that's pretty much going to do it for part 1 of this video. I got so much footage from today's adventure. I didn't want to bore y'all to death with so many catches, but I figured split this fishing trip into 2 parts. All the fish in this part were all called NRV baits. We did fish some other pinch crawlers and, you know, other little swim baits and whatnot, like gulp minnows and whatnot. Had a few react to them, but the fish we caught today were mainly on the creek bugs. Mixed them up from black, yellow, pink, whatnot. But anyway, you want to get some NRV baits for yourself. I'll link it for the description down below. And be sure to stay tuned for part 2 coming in the next few days. But anyway, you'll see me fishing content like this in the future. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace!